Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Funfetti sugar cookie mix with candy bits. Start by gathering a box sugar cookie mix, softened butter, an egg, a splash of vanilla, and 1:1. 5 cups of candy bits. Preheat your oven and line baking trays. I will walk you through mixing, chilling, portioning, and baking tips to keep colors vibrant and cookies soft and chewy. Start by creaming softened butter with the sugar from the mix until light and slightly fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 egg and a splash of vanilla, then mix in the box dry ingredients just until combined. Gently fold in candy bits on low speed to prevent color bleed. Chill the dough for 30 to 60 minutes to help cookies keep a nice round shape and soft center once baked. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more baking tips. On another note, quick recommendation. Those leak-proof containers are perfect for transporting cookie dough balls and keeping sprinkles separate until you bake, and they stack nicely in the fridge. They make meal prep and cookie prep less messy and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use a cookie scoop to portion dough into even balls and place them 2 inches apart on a lined tray. Bake at the mix's recommended temperature, watching closely in the last 2 minutes to avoid overbrowning. Let cookies cool completely on a wire rack to set centers. For storage, use an airtight container with a slice of bread to maintain softness, or freeze baked cookies for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.